Maya. If this is your very first time here, please make sure you hit that button below if you have not yet so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos. So today we're doing something a little bit differently. You guys have been requesting that I do some hair videos, so here I am with my first one. So today we are going to be doing a review of a hair product, and this product is the SAPPHIRE 8-in-1 Complete Curler from Irresistible Me. This curler is bomb, and let me tell y'all why. I have had the product for a while because I wanted to make sure it was something that you guys would really like and really enjoy, and I want it to be like an investment for you if you decide to get the product. This is the box that it comes in, and the way that it's packaged will save a lot of space. You can roll this out, and then it comes with 8 different barrels. This is the wand, and it does have an on and off button as well as a control for the temperature, and it does get as hot as 450 degrees. Then it comes with 8 different barrels. Yes, I said that right, 8 different barrels. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all of them. And you know, with this one product, you can do so many hairstyles, from very tight curls to very big curls that'll give you a lot of volume and, you know, you know what I'm saying? This wig, you know, if you ain't been on my channel for a while, this wig had a moment on my channel, but since I have discovered my big curly wig, this one has had to take a back seat. And by back seat, I mean the back of the closet. But I feel like this product has really been able to give it more life, and I'm actually excited to wear it again. So y'all will be seeing a little bit more of her. I don't know what I should name her. Marilyn. Yes, that just came to me right now. This is Marilyn. This is Marilyn now, just because of this product. All right. So if you guys want to see how I transformed this very flat dull wig into this, see the review, see what I think about the product. Now, I'm also going to show you how 3 of the barrels work and the different curls that you can get with the different barrels. And you know, you want to stick around to the end because I might be able to help y'all save some coins on this product. You know I got y'all. So if you want to see all of that good information and the real tea on the product, go ahead and keep watching, and I'll see y'all at the end. Okay guys, so if you've been around on my channel for a while, then you know this wig, honey. I want to start wearing it again, so I feel like this product is gonna do what I need it to do in order to, you know, give it some body and some life back into the wig. I want to show you guys 3 of the barrels and how they perform. I got 3 different sizes so that you guys can see the 3 different, you know, sizes of curls that we can get. Like I mentioned in the intro, this is the wand, and you plug this in, and this is the start button or the on button, and then you have temperature controls here. To hook it up, it is very simple, but you also want to make sure that you have a barrel hooked up before you turn it on, so you don't want it to be, you know, emitting heat before you actually plug it into a barrel. I'm gonna go ahead and do 3 different sizes. I'm gonna start with the smallest one that is in the package, and I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to connect it up. It's really simple. So you pretty much just push it in, you line up those arrows. This right here will twist and it locks. See? Pretty simple. So it does get up to 450 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up, and it doesn't take long to heat up either. I'm gonna section off my hair. We're gonna do 3 different sections of curls so you guys can really see the difference. So let's just mess with the bang right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull everything else back up into a ponytail. So this is what we're working with. I'm gonna go ahead and take the first strand, and we're going to curl this with the smallest rod. Pretty much it's easy, you know, we know how to work these. You just grab it at the top and twist it around the barrel. And then at the end of each barrel is a heat-proof tip so that you can hold the hair at the bottom and you know burn yourself and die in the process of trying to be cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let go so you guys can see how tight this curl is. Okay, so I know y'all see how tight that is. Look at that. That's crazy. For not even that much time, I think that that's an amazing curl. So that is our smallest curl. I'm gonna go ahead and change barrels, and we'll do the medium size one. Okay, and that is our medium barrel. Do you guys see how tight these curls are? Like, that is beautiful. And I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the larger one. This is not the biggest one in the package, but you know, I wanted to just see what this one gave us. This thing gets so hot I can feel the heat like up against my head. And this is a very thick wig, so that says a lot. Alrighty. So that is the thicker. Whoa. Do y'all see that curl? Oh, that is very pretty. So here you have all 3 different sizes that I just tried out. So you have the smallest barrel, medium size, and a larger one right here. And that's just 3 of the curls that you can get from this product. I am like thanking the Lord silently in my head for this product. I think I might want to go for this size curl. I think I'm gonna go, we'll see. I think I'm gonna go with this one and then probably add a little bit more of these to make it more full and, you know, voluptuous, if that's even the word that you're supposed to use for that. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and go in on my head. If you guys want to stick around, I'm gonna speed it up just a little bit for a couple minutes so you guys can see what I'm doing, and then I'm going to give you my final thoughts at the end of the video. So this is from the largest barrel, or the larger barrel. I think I want to switch to the medium sized one just so I can get some tighter curls. So this is the medium barrel that I'm using now. So I do kind of want to have these curls be a little tighter so that once they fall, it's just a very pretty, you know, Marilyn Monroe type of a curl situation, you know, girl. Y'all, seriously though. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking so I can actually get done with this head. Okay, so that's already a huge transformation. I'm just gonna mess with this a little bit and just like separate some of these curls so that I get even more body, you know. Okay, loves, so this is the finished look that I am feeling with this curler. I think that this, like, do y'all see? Do we need to zoom in? Let's just zoom in. Like, look at the volume in these curls. Like, this is absolutely beautiful. I love it. And this is just what one barrel can do. This is the medium sized one. So I am gonna go ahead and brush this out because I want to get like a Marilyn Monroe type of feel with this hair. Oh yes, honey. That's what I'm going for. Do y'all see this body though? Okay, I thought I was sold before, but I'm really sold now. And let me tell y'all, I'm in love with this product, and I'm not just blowing smoke. I did have this product in my possession for quite a while because I wanted to make sure that this was a product that you guys would really like. I want to make sure that I really, you know, had y'all in mind. And the fact that there are 8 different barrels with this one wand in one product, I mean, honestly, the options are legit limitless. They're limitless. Like, there's so many different looks and styles that you can do with this one product, and that's the reason why I wanted to really show you guys this and, you know, blow a little smoke about it because I love it. So if you guys do want to check out this product, go ahead and click the link that is in the description box and you can go to the website and check out this styler as well as any other goodies that Irresistible Me has for you. Also, y'all know I got you, right? You know I got you. No matter what it is, you know I got you. Y'all gonna get an opportunity to save them coins. So go ahead and use this discount code, get 20 off, so that you can get 20% off of your first purchase with Irresistible Me. If you guys like this video, this review tutorial situation, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up, comment below, and let me know if y'all want more hair videos. That's reviews, tutorials, wigs, all of that jazz. Please let me know. And hit subscribe below if you have not yet, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.